Now let's see what this command is there for. I'll go to bard, bard, switch to tab, and I'll ask it exp. Oh, explain this versus simple this. I have two commands. I want to know what's the difference. Both uses curl to send a request to the server. In this one we have this flag. I flag asks curl to only return the response header information without downloading the actual content. Okay, so this is a cool tag. This provides a quick way to get information about the server, such as HTTP status code. Oh, nice. Curl localhost this sends a basic GET request to the server and retrieves the entire response, including the body of the content. Cool. And what is the K command for? What is -K for? Let's see. K flag tells to ignore TSSL and SSL certificate verification. Okay. Ignoring certificate verification can make you vulnerable. Okay, now I just want to know full form of this I and K. What is full form of this -I and -K tag? Let's see. Do not have a single definite form in the call command. Okay, informal. Okay, there's no formal full form for this. Okay, cool. So but yeah, I can use this way to curl curl -ik localhost and then the port. So that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next lab. See ya, bye bye.